Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jechu's Writing. Today we're going to see number names 1 to 20 in cursive handwriting. Please follow this. O N E 1 T W O 2 T H R E E 3 F O U R 4 F I V E 5 S I X 6 S E V E N 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9 T E N 10 E L E V E N 11 T W E L V E 12 T H I R T E E N 13 F O U R T E N 14 F I F T E E N 15 S I X T E E N 16 S E V E N T E E N 17 E I G H T E E N 18 N I N E T E E N 19 T W E N T Y 20. This is the cursive handwriting number names 1 to 20. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Jechu's Writing, and for more videos click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.